A lot of people were really on rosemary oil for a minute. They were like, ooh, I gotta put rosemary oil because it's gonna make my hair grow faster. And they did 1,000 tests on rosemary oil, and the only time it made hair not grow faster, but grow was if they had a autoimmune type disorder where their hair had fallen out in certain sections. It made it kind of come in. Other than that, it was just oil going into your hair.
I'm actually trying to let it grow, see what it can do. So I've been like using oils and stuff to kind of help it grow.
Me and you always fight over that one.
Yeah, I know, you hate oils. Let my hair dry first before putting the oils in.
Okay, so it's super absorbent when you do it.
Yeah?
Look, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Your hair is very resilient, and if it's working for you.
Yeah, I feel like it's kind of just stuck here. So I don't know how to like get it to go past a certain thing. I don't know if it's because I highlight it.
The highlighting is like one level, right? It's like it's definitely gonna like affect that outer texture of your hair, so it's gonna get drier faster.
Yeah.
And then when you are putting oil in your hair, like oil and dry goes hand in hand because oil don't mix with water. Some oils like that's like formulated right in your fucking shampoo, your conditioner, that kind of stuff, it's like meant to rinse out real easy where you want it.
What products do you recommend? I don't know. I'm okay with where it's at.
I am too. I think your hair looks great.
I'm just trying to see what it can do because I feel like I've had the same hair like my whole life. You know what I mean? Like I'm trying to switch it up.
All the pictures that I like have with you, I'm like, okay, they're like this is where we're at.
But I do notice that it is growing because if I look back at older pictures, it was like up here. You know, so it is kind of growing, and I did get a trim, so it was longer than that before.
Gotcha.
Which is dead because I was one slicking it back all the time. So I think like the first step is like letting it breathe a little bit and
1,000%.
not slicking it back all the time. But in order to do that, I need like a good cut.
Right.
Because I hate
otherwise it's down and it's like
and I'm
off.
like I just get annoyed like. But you did recommend InnerSense products, and I've been using that ever since I came here.
The reason why that's great in your mix, like it's fine, like bringing in those other, like we're calling it high maintenance products.
Yeah.
That product line is going to tax your hair the least of anything else.
It's been the most consistent product I think I've ever used that I know I won't have a bad hair day and it won't damage my hair.
Exactly.
So I definitely...
It rinses pretty easy too.
So many brands are like, oh, try our curl cream. I'm like, yeah, it's not as good as InnerSense.
So you're trying to get more action here because this is kind of laying pretty flat on you, but it makes a lot of sense because you have super low layering there. Just trying to get you some shape, yeah?
Yeah, just like make it a little sunshine ball.
Cool. But I don't think that's going to take a lot on you because also too, one of the things that I don't want to do is if we're sacrificing some length in here for layering, I want to be careful not to thin you out too much down there on the bottom. So I'm going to play with it of what we can get at this general length.
Yeah, let's do that.
If I got to knock off a little bit down here, you're going to be okay? You're going to be mad at me?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay.
Cool. And then when it comes to bangs, I kind of think I'm tired of like
having to go across.
Bangs, but I kind of like
face
a little face
high face frame.
Yeah, whatever you feel.
But like a curl's worth, like nothing crazy. Because you're kind of sitting in a good spot. But I would like maybe bring that one to your like lash line.
Yeah.
Because that will probably bounce up a little bit more too, right? As it's shorter. With some shrink factor there.
I don't know. Some of them are different because I'm not gonna lie, I got so lazy with styling that if I didn't like a curl, I just wanted it. And some of them are kind of dead.
I see the difference in curl pattern because you're usually really, really consistent.